Hey, hello, hi, welcome back to the All Things Hair YouTube channel. My name is Rukiya. I am a content creator here on YouTube. My channel is Rukiya Sherman and it will be linked down below if you want to check me out after this video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my wash day hair routine, walking you guys through how I go from dirty, week-old hair to nice, clean, straight hair, and also telling you guys some tips and tricks on how to care for relaxed hair because I myself am a relaxed girl. Without further ado, let's just get right into this video. So first, I start off by detangling my hair just because if you try washing your hair while there are knots and tangles in your strands, it's gonna be a mission. Just trust me. So I take my detangling brush and I just really make sure to brush out all those knots. I start at the ends and work my way up when detangling just because if I start at the root, then it's just going to rip out strands of my hair. But if you start off slowly from the bottom and work your way up, you will detangle those knots without having to yank out strands of hair in the process. And then after I detangle my hair, I hop up into the shower. The product I use to shampoo my hair is the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Shampoo. This is made for people with natural, chemically treated, and heat styled hair. Jamaican Black Castor Oil has just a long history of really being great for new growth. If you have a bald spot or thinning edges, the number one thing people recommend you do is to massage Jamaican Black Castor Oil on that spot just because it's known to really be a great oil for promoting new hair growth. Peppermint oil is known to really stimulate the scalp, it leaves a nice tingling feeling, which I enjoy because whenever I get that tingling feeling, it makes me feel as though my hair is growing. After I rinse the shampoo from my hair, I like to go in with the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Conditioner. I just find it the best if you use conditioners that go alongside with the shampoos, just because when you use two products that go together, you get the full benefit of the ingredients. I like using these shampoo detangling brushes just because I find that the short bristles on it and how sparse it is really great for detangling your hair. I really like to go in with this brush when I have that conditioner in, just brushing it through from the ends up to the roots to make sure that the conditioner is getting evenly coated throughout my strands. After I'm done brushing the conditioner throughout my hair, I like to leave it on for 3 minutes as it says in the directions. So I just twist up my hair and put a shower cap on just because I find when I put a shower cap on, the heat that gets trapped in helps to really penetrate the conditioner into my strands. After the 3 minutes, I just rinse out the conditioner. I tend to, when I'm rinsing it out, to not completely rinse out the conditioner just because I find when you leave a bit of the conditioner still in your hair, it kind of works as a leave-in conditioner. Pro tip of the day. So after that, I like to just towel dry my hair, but I don't use a actual towel. Hear me out. So I found using regular towels on my hair just makes my hair frizzy. So instead, I use a cotton t-shirt. Any cotton t-shirt, any old ones that I have just laying around. I like to wrap my hair in it just because I find that the cotton is way softer on my hair and it won't make my hair frizzy. To moisturize and replenish my hair, I like to go in with the Lovin' Planet Coconut and Ylang Oil product. This product is great for people who have damaged hair, and since my hair is chemically treated, it is damaged. Coconut oil is just known to help nourish and repair split ends in your hair. So if you have very damaged hair, whether it's from chemicals, dyeing, or heat damage or whatever, applying a bit of this to your ends will really help to repair, protect, and nourish your hair. And also the Ylang oil just adds a nice light fragrance to the product since Ylang is a flower oil. A couple pumps, about 2 to 3, just on my ends. I don't bring it up to the roots just because I feel like when I apply oils like this to my roots, makes my hair feel greasy, and I just washed my hair. Why would I want to make my hair look and feel greasy? So yeah, a few pumps of this on my ends and you're good to go. Since I am straightening my hair, what I do to avoid adding extra heat to my hair is I just cut out blow drying. I feel like blow drying, unless I'm trying to get super straight sleek hair, like bone straight hair, I will just avoid blow drying my hair and let my hair air dry. So how I do this is I like to just slick my hair back. Just take a boar bristle brush and just brush my hair back, really smoothing it down, and then I'll just collect my hair at the nape of my head. I have a clip that I use. It just has teeth and a clasp in it, so what you do is you just wrap it around where you would usually put the hair tie and just close the clasps, and it will create a ponytail. I just prefer that instead of using a hair tie, just because it doesn't leave that hair tie dent. But if you don't have the tool that I'm using, you can just use a regular hair tie, and I then just braid my ends and tie it off with a hair elastic at the end of the braid. If you don't like straightening your hair because you don't want to cause heat damage to your hair, then you can avoid doing this, but sometimes I like to straighten my hair to make sure that's really straight. When I do, I really enjoy using a heat protectant. The heat protectant I use is the TRESemmé Thermal Creations Heat Tamer. It has a very nice mist that really spreads wide, so you don't need to be like spray, just like a couple mist, and it really covers up huge parts of your hair, which I quite enjoy. My hair still feels nice, bouncy, and free when I spray this on my hair. To straighten my hair, I just go in sections. I'm not a pro when it comes to straightening my hair. I get quite lazy. I tend to really work more at my roots and then just quickly along the ends, just because since the ends of my hair is already chemically straightened, there's no need for me to really hold the straightener on my ends for that long. But my roots I tend to get at a bit more since it is curly. And I do also use just a fine tooth comb while I'm straightening, just to make sure I'm really smoothing and brushing out the knots while I straighten my hair, so you get the smoothest of straightening. And then a couple tips that I have for people with relaxed hair is to get trims. I'm not talking about chopping off like 10 inches of hair each month. No, just light brush trims is really recommended, just to make sure that you're snipping off those really old split ends in your hair. If you leave old ends in your hair, it tends to split up. I really recommend just getting regular trims, maybe once a month, just a little brush up, just snip a little bit at the ends, and you'll be good. Also, I recommend that you get your hair relaxed, like touch up relaxed, every 8 to 10 weeks. I'm gonna say I'm quite guilty right now. I haven't gotten my touch up done and it's been almost 3 months. When you wait too long to get your roots retouched up with the relaxer, the curly new growth is just going to break off your straight relaxed hair, because the two textures don't work well together and they tend to get tangled up and knotted up and just break off from one another. So I really recommend not waiting too long to get your relaxer retouched, but I also don't recommend you go too often to get your relaxer retouched, just because if you are getting your relaxer redone and there isn't enough new growth and it's just going on the already relaxed hair, you are over processing your hair. And when you relax already relaxed hair, your hair will break off. Your hair will be so damaged. It's the same thing as over bleaching your hair or over dyeing your hair. Like it's damaging treatments you're doing to your hair, and if you repeatedly do it too often, your hair is just gonna be fried. It's gonna be done. Your hair is gonna fall off. So I recommend waiting about 8 to 10 weeks to get your hair retouched up with relaxers, but it all really depends on you and your hair. Everyone's hair is different. You can't just put everyone in a little box because we all don't have the same hair. that is all for my wash day hair routine and my tips and tricks for you guys. Thank you, All Things Hair, for having me on your channel. And if you want to see more of me, once again, my channel will be linked down below, Rukiya Sherman. And I hope you all are having a great day wherever you are. Bye, everyone.